I'm going to tell you too that I am going to be in your area with Jason and Farah. Then what you're going to be doing is you're going to call everybody on the for rent section. How right now can you get a deal or negotiate better terms on your current deal? All right, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways right now in Hillsborough and Polk County that you can go get deals right now and get some leads. So stay on this video. Ready, go. Here we go. All right, so hey guys, what's up? This is Franklin Cruz. I've been doing real estate now for about 19 years, all in Florida. And I'm gonna show with you right now what are 3 ways, or just 1 way right now, on how you can get deals. And then I'm gonna tell you too that I'm gonna be in your area with Jason and Farah at the next event. So I'd love to see you out there. Ask as many questions as possible. Hopefully you've seen one of my ads, from Franklin Buys Houses to True Fast Offer is one of our companies. And then I was an educator for 10 years. So anyway, let me go into now answering the question, how do you get a deal right now? So what you do is go to Craigslist right now. And when you go in Craigslist, I want you to type in for rent, go to the for rent section. Now, technically you're like, how are you driving and carrying and holding this with 2 hands? I have actually a Tesla, so it drives by itself. So anyway, it is what it is. It's pretty cool. So go to Craigslist, type in for rent section. Then what you're going to be doing is you're going to call everybody on the for rent section. And this is what you're going to say. This is the script. Hey, how you doing? My name is Blase Blase. I see that you have a property for rent. Yes, I do. Awesome. Well, let me ask you, you ever considered selling? Stop, pause. If they say yes, then what you're going to do is say, well, awesome. Well, tell me a little bit more about the property. How many bedrooms? How many baths? What was the year built? What's the reason for selling? How long have you, the property sounds like a great property. Why do you even want to sell the property? You're going to be asking all these questions. And while now you're setting up for an appointment and possibly a contract on the deal. And then you could call me, because I'll definitely buy it. Or probably see what we can do. And then the other thing is, what if they say, no, I'm not interested in selling? No big deal. All you have to say is like, well, obviously you're a real estate investor. That's obvious. Have you ever considered, what kind of properties are you looking to buy? Obviously you're a real estate investor. You're buying 3-bedroom, 2-bath, concrete block, frame house. What does that actually look like for you? And then shut your mouth. Now you got a buyer and or seller all in one phone call. So if you do that more often, stay committed, stay disciplined. Honestly, if you do that, if you just call 50 numbers a week, the odds are you're going to be able to get a contract in the next 2 weeks. Let's see if you do it. Let me know. Leave a comment below. And then also, I will be at the event with Jason. Love to see you there. Shake your hand. Bring all your questions. Bring your deals. I'm going to do a lot of just Q&A and just help you with deals live right there. And if we got to call the sellers and the buyers right there and then, we'll do it and see if I can help you with your deal moving forward. And hopefully just consider me as your buyer if we get the deal live. Anyway, talk to you soon. Bye. All right, I'm back. So I know I'm wearing the same shirt because I actually did this multiple times. But anyway, I am driving on the highway, and actually I'm not really driving. The Tesla's driving. Anyway, I'm going to share with you right now on how to negotiate with a seller. And then also at the event, I'm going to do live. I'm going to mentor you for 1 hour with Jason and Farah. So for 1 hour, get mentoring by me. I've been doing this 19 years, buying and selling over 500 properties. I've done pretty well, military veteran. Anyway, let me answer this question for you. How right now can you get a deal or negotiate better terms on your current deal? Well, negotiating better terms on your current deal is pretty easy. Number 1, definitely schedule an appointment to inspect the property. You always want to do that. At the inspection, remember this: if you solve somebody else's problem, they never really care what you're making financially as long as you give them what they want, right? If I don't steal your donut, you don't get mad at me as long as you get your donut that you wanted. So that's how you got to think about it. So just think of a way creatively that you can help them solve their problem and move forward. Then the other thing is, at the event with Jason and Farah that's coming up, and there's a link below coming up, definitely what we're going to be doing, and this is a live event. I'm going to be actually talking to you and everything else. This is for free. Just come on in. And anything that you do want to pay for it, it's going to go to the Givens Back Foundation that helps inner city kids. My cousin runs it. His name is Michael Givens. He's the pitcher for the Orioles. So the other thing is too, if you're trying to get more deals, then what I would do is the for rent section is always very powerful, and the other powerful question is for sale. Remember, inside Craigslist in the for sale section, there's people are always updating all the time. If you know, one of my students, Tanya Bookman, she actually got a deal just from literally calling Craigslist, wholesaled it for 10 grand. So as long as you get, look, as long as you're helping people, nobody cares how much money you make, as long as you give them what they want and you make sure that you're ethical and you have integrity and responsibility in everything you do. So again, my name is Franklin Cruz. I'm going to be there with Jason and Fair coming up. Love to talk to you. Hug on your face. I'll see you later. Bye. And don't forget, like, share, leave a comment. Bring all your questions. I'm going to be doing live deals with you. Bye.